Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hope so all are you fine and good. Welcome in my YouTube channel, Metrology. So please don't forget to like, subscribe and share my YouTube channel. Today we will discuss about gauges. So let's start our topic. What is gauge? A gauge is an inspection tool that is used by engineers to measure the tolerance limit of a component. Gauges are mainly utilized by engineers in order to the appropriate dimensions of a workpiece. Some fundamental limitations are present within which a gauge should be made by manufacturer. What is the use of gauges? Gauges used किधर होती हैं, किस लिए used होती हैं, वो हम discuss करेंगे. A gauge in science and engineering is a device used to make measurement or in order to display certain dimensional information. A wide variety of tools exist which serve such functions, ranging from simple pieces of material against which size can be measured to complex pieces of machinery. Gauges types according to shape. Types of gauges in metrology: inside dimensions measuring gauge, plug gauge, pin gauge; outside dimension measuring gauge, snap gauge, ring gauge; both sides dimension measuring gauge, clipper gauge, geometric measuring gauge; gauges for concentricity, gauge of taper, gauge of profile. That's all the gauge type according to shape. First of all, ring gauge. What is ring gauge? Ring gauges are metrology tools that are used for gauging the outer diameters of pins, shafts, splines, fasteners, dowel studs, and other machined cylindrical parts. Gauge. A plug gauge is a cylindrical type of gauge used to check the accuracy of holes. The plug gauge check whether the hole diameter is within specified tolerance or not. The go plug gauge is the size of the low limit of the hole, while the not go plug gauge corresponds to the high limit of the hole. Gauge. Snap gauge, also called gap gauge, are metrology tools that are used to gauge the diameters or thickness of a part or material. These tools are versatile and are designed to provide a quick go on no go decision on cylindrical shafts, grooves, and other similar parts and features in machining operations. Radius gauge. A radius gauge is a measuring instrument for measuring the radius of a curved part. It is used to measuring the dimensions of workpiece, dies and wooden patterns. The gauge is applied directly to the object and dimensions are read visually. Hope so you enjoy this video, learn from this video. See you with next topic. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.